and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be making Chunky Monkey frozen yogurt bites. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so for this recipe, all you're going to need is some yogurt, some peanut butter, some chocolate chips, and some bananas. Now you can, if you want to, throw some crushed peanuts right on the top of yours. I'm not going to do that, but you can if you want to. Now if you haven't seen my video, I will make sure to link it somewhere on the screen and down below in the description box. My frozen yogurt bark with mixed berries video. It's so delicious. It's going to be pretty similar to this one, except instead of the bark, we're going to be putting them either in a cupcake or muffin tin, or I just have little silicone muffin cups. It's just going to be easier for me to just find room in the freezer to put them in. Now this is such a quick and easy recipe. This is something that you can grab and have as a quick little breakfast, something for in the middle of the day, a little snack, or something to just munch on even by the pool. Now as far as bananas go, the riper the better, because that's just going to make them that much more sweet. And for the yogurt, a yogurt that is higher in fat is recommended here. This is going to make for a creamier and much softer frozen yogurt bite. A lower fat yogurt is going to just be icier and harder when you bite into it rather than a higher fat yogurt. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take 2 out of the 3 of your bananas and peel them. And we're going to either mash them if you have a potato masher or a fork. I don't have a potato masher, so we're just going to use a fork and you're just going to mash them on up. Now for some nutrition facts on bananas, make sure to check out my strawberry banana smoothie video. Okay, so then we're just going to mash that. Now for the bananas, just like I always say, this is your personal preference, so you can make this as thick or as smooth as you like. Okay, so this is going to be the consistency that I'm going to leave it at. Next, we're just going to add in a cup of our yogurt, and you can also, while you're looking at the strawberry banana smoothie recipe, check out some nutrition facts on frozen yogurt, on yogurt as well. I am again using a Greek yogurt that's vanilla flavored. Okay, and then here we're also going to add in our 2 heaping tablespoons of peanut butter. And you're just going to want to blend this and mix this up until everything is just well blended together. This is already smelling so good. Okay, so now all you're going to want to do now is you're going to want to take, I have one of those little melon things again if you have an ice cream scoop or whatever it is you have. And I'm just going to start scooping these into our little muffin tins. Now you're not going to want to fill these up all the way because we are going to use that last banana and we're going to slice it up and put a little slice right on top and squish it down a little bit, so you don't want anything to be overflowing and spilling out of your muffin top. Your muffin top. Now, like I always say, I just like doing this just to ensure that you have an even amount every time you're making something. Now we're not baking these, so nothing's going to rise and cook differently, but still, it's just nice to have everything be the same size. Done. See how super easy that is? Okay, so now all we have left is to slice our banana and to sprinkle it with some chocolate chips, or if you have actual peanuts as well, you can do that. So bananas are super easy to cut. I'm literally just going to use a butter knife. And what's great about this too is if you have kids or cousins or little ones, you can always just get them involved by doing something like this. There's no harm, no sharp knives or blenders, and it's just going to be really fun and easy for you guys to do together. These ones are little, so I'm just going to eat these. Well, all we need is 12, so. Okay, so now for this, all you're going to want to do is place one on top and squish it down a little bit. Not that it's overflowing, but just so it's even. Okay, so now all we have left is to just garnish with some chocolate chips, or like I said, if you have some crushed peanuts that you want to put on here, go on ahead. This is your time to do so. And you just obviously want to put this around the little banana slice so that it'll freeze inside. I'm using mini chocolate chips, by the way. And you can check out my banana chocolate chip muffins video if you want to get some nutrition facts on dark chocolate chips. Okay, so now all that's left to do is to just put these in the freezer, let them freeze for about 2 to 3 hours or until they're firm, and then we're just going to remove them from the silicone cups, and then we're ready to try some. Okay, so now we're all out of the freezer and it's time to try one. So all you're going to want to do is just peel it right out of the silicone little cup. Okay, well that's all I have for this video, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. Make sure to leave me your feedback in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to the description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!